So we are here in the ultra video, amazing video, where you can convert the logo to video, video intro or whatever you call it. So I'm here in videobolt.net, and here I go here and then I click on, you see something called as intros, right?
Yeah, right.
So I click on that, and now I can create the kind of intros which people will go mind blowing about, right? So I can do that. I can definitely do that. So if I want to create a particular intro in front of you, I'm going to create these are kind of intro. So if I want to create a Superman kind of intro, let's click on this and I click on edit the metallical elements. I can choose the different kinds of styles.
Okay.
That's not an issue. So here, all I gotta do is
first you have
I
to
gotta upload the
your
logo. So I click on upload, and then I click on media library, or I can even upload from my
your system or PC, anything.
whatever. I click on media library, and I have a logo here. I click on that, and click on select file. Okay, guys. So now it's gonna crop. It's gonna crop the logo. Don't worry about that. It's gonna crop the logo. Yeah, whatever. So any logo you can upload. It need not be whatever you create. You have the final file. You can do it. It's still rendering. So tagline. If you want to add a tagline,
enter a text.
Yeah, any tagline you can enter the text. So you gotta enter. You saw it, guys. So it will show the preview. So that gold will become the logo. So that means it'll transcend into the logo. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this and enter this as the future is now, or whatever it is. Okay, the future. Welcome to the future. No, this is not the course. This is the logo intro, right? Logo tagline. Okay, welcome to the amazing future. And then I can click on this. I can choose the themes.
Okay.
So we can choose whatever themes, gold silver, or whatever, silver or whatever, green or whatever. I can customize the metal, the bump strength, the colors, everything. I can customize it here, and then I can do the different versions. And then once I do everything, I just I can choose a tagline. Once everything is done, I just click on. I had to rename this, right? So logo intro. Once that is done, I click on produce video, and then I name the what do you call as a logo intro. And then if customize you have done, it'll show the customization. Like if you change the colors or something, it'll show.
Yeah, right.
Otherwise, just click on produce. And you're gonna wait for the logo to come, and by the time I'll show you another tool. So you understood the concept. That's it. In 2 minutes we create an amazing logo.
Yeah, it's a cloud render or
it's all cloud render. Nothing, no hardware is required at all. Everything is in cloud. Even if you close this, it'll render. Don't worry. So now, similar to VideoBolt, we have intro maker, introcave.com. It's introcave.com.
Introcave.com.
Yeah, it's, you see this kind of logos. It's amazing, guys. These are video
like
intros, Hollywood style of video creation logos. Amazing it is. This is all video logos. Duration is there for the videos. You can customize it in minutes, right? So they have some amazing video intros, like breaking, shattering the logos. Oh my god, I just got scared there. And everything is there, and then you can use that. It's pretty amazing. You can go to the next third page. You can see the kinds of 5 girls. Oh my god, let's see this. Oh my god. Dun, dun, dun. So that's how amazing it is. And then you have this one. Just see this. I think it has to load. It'll take some time. Electric lines only some. Yeah, like that. Whatever. You can just do that. Okay. You can just if you hover over this, sometimes it comes with a preview. Okay. Red drops logo, or a quick intro logo, correct? And dark clouds logo. Whatever you want.
Out of logo
that is used for horror movies, I think. Thriller movies. Red drops. Okay. So then you can have luxury logos, breaking glass logos, breaking glass.
Yeah, right. Hero intro.
You see this? Woo! Super.
Like hero intro, right?
Like that, yeah. And then you have vintage logos. Like old-fashioned kind of. This is hacker logos, computer matrix titles or whatever. So everything kind of thing is there. Don't worry about that. And then you see this, guys. This is taking the time to render. It's already rendered 32%. Very fast, right, guys?
Yeah. Wow.
Very fast. And then we have now you look at intro cave. Similar to that is Tube Arsenal. ARSE.
Arsenal.com.
It's pretty good. It's again pretty much say logo intro created. You have amazing hero intro kind of thing logos, and it's pretty good. So you go to templates here. Just click on templates. Okay, and here you have you have a walkthrough, so you can just customize whatever you want. Pick a template and then hover over this. Okay, then it'll ask you to customize it. Similar to that, just edit the words. Change the words that it says, test, whatever, and then you just hit enter on the keyboard once that is done, and then you change the title color, the colors of the title, just enter, and then preview the stills or a past preview, and then you click on nice job and everything else. In the color slider, everything is, this is a test mode where you saw that, guys, and then preview the movie. That's it. So that's it. So click this button to see the customized video. That's it. So tubearsenal.com is again an amazing video intro maker similar to this intro cave. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty amazing. And one more thing they have here is customization. So if you want only text, if you want only logos, or if you want say
logo plus subtitle.
Oh, logo plus subtitle also is pretty good. And if you want to browse intro videos with multiple images or multiple text customization options, we have it in intro cave, right? And one more thing I wanted to show you was the 3D font part of it, right? So if you want a 3D font in your particular logo, right, we have a free 3D font here, which is called as urban fonts. I've used urban fonts. So suppose you type something, you say type Sharanya, okay, and then you give enter. You see this, guys, how amazing 3D fonts are coming.
Wow,
it's pretty amazing in terms of you can use it anywhere, need not be in a logo, okay. You can use it even in your presentations or something like that. This is very good. I like this. I like this also. And it's pretty amazing, and this is also pretty cool. So you can use that. That's a bonus from me, okay. And then we have the logo ready. So let's see how the logo video has it's playing actually. So get ready to view it, the final output. So guys, see the guys, there it is. Okay, so you saw the guys. Now what you have this entire thing here. Now if you want to see the entire thing, you can click on remove watermark, and then you'll be able to see the complete file. So I have also it's just a preview, okay.
If you want to edit now itself, means you can go back and you can
do it. So if I have a certain logo, I'll show you something from the past, okay, so which I've created here. Let me show you one sample, okay. So let me show you one sample logo that I created in the past. No, not that. I'll show you one amazing logo that I created in the past. Okay, so I do my intros here. Pretty much I do my intros here, and it's pretty amazing in terms of how the intros are done. This is a logo which you would have, I think you would have seen in several of my courses. This is done through Video Bowl. So let me show you how it is. There it is, and let's play it for you. Okay, it's all done through Video Bowl, so you can see this here.
Oh wow!
Yeah, you saw that, guys. So that's pretty good. So it's pretty amazing in terms of video bowls where you can create amazing videos. So I hope you enjoyed this mind-blowing course on logo design.
Yes.
This has been a great journey from the scratch where we taught you everything in logo design, 3D logos, and a lot of things we have taught you in this course. So implement it to the fullest potential. Implementation is always the key to success. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan and
Saranya Srinidhi
signing out from this course. Bye bye for now. See you in another course. By the way, Sai Manoj would actually come in the next video and explain about the theoretical aspects of artificial intelligence and logo design, how it can help, or logo design benefits, or whatever it is. You watch that, okay? Okay, bye bye for now. But we are signing off from this course. Bye bye.
Yeah.